Blockchain and trade finance. How does blockchain work in trade finance? Blockchain and trade finance modern technology allow the recording of purchases on a distributed ledger across a network of individuals. The data from these deals is stored in blocks. Each block consists of a time-stamped document of the purchases. While blockchain is currently being used by numerous markets varying from manufacturing, healthcare to real estate, or federal government application, among the major sectors that can benefit from this technology is professional finance. Here are the main advantages of making use of blockchain in professional finance. Efficiency, traceability, transparency, auditability, security, blockchain and trade finance treatment, receiving and category of professional papers, extraction of information from the tape-recorded files, generation of valid reports for cross-documentation and transactions, automatically confirming the data in between files and also produced reports is done. Document analysis is carried out sticking to numerous regulations and also regulations. About trade and export finance certification. Blockchain and trade finance course certification will offer you a comprehensive understanding of the products, papers, trade terms, functions as well as duties that underpin professional finance and will also educate you exactly how to use this knowledge in real situations. Perfect for all professionals as well as connection supervisors, this certification will certainly provide you a comprehensive review of all facets of trade financing. It will help you show your proficiency and increase your professional capacity. Significance of trade and finance certification in 2021. Blockchain and trade finance certification combines the acquisition of technical knowledge with the skills to apply that knowledge to real situations. CITF enhances your knowledge of the products, documents, trade terms, roles, and responsibilities that underpin international trade. The CITF qualification also helps you develop a basic understanding of fraud prevention and risk in trade finance. CITF would be a highly valuable achievement for exporters, importers, and banking professionals who would like to prove their knowledge in international trade on a global scale. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for blockchain and trade finance course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best trade and finance exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. This exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for trade and finance every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/